Today is the review of the thing that made my hair look so freaking good. Okay, so I totally want to show this to you guys because, okay, this is not sponsored. Let me put that out there right now. However, I didn't even have to pay for it. The reason why is because where Jay works, this item showed up without a box. And so at her work, if something doesn't show up without if it shows up damaged or without a box, they throw it out or one of the coworkers get it. And so she grabbed it, she brought it home, and I said, "What's that?" And she was like, "Oh, this?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "Oh, I don't know." And I snatched it, and then I went directly to the bathroom and tried it, and this is the result. Okay, so let me first start off, before I even show it to you guys, let me first start off with telling you that my hair has stayed this curly for 24 hours. My hair never, ever, ever holds a curl or a wave like this, ever, okay? Also too, the ends of my hair, like a regular curling iron, like frizzes and knots the ends of my hair horribly, and you get like those weird dents in the bottom of your hair. Not happening. The volume that I have in this, like right here, I have not seen that since I had short hair. This is like the first time I've actually ever had wavy hair and curly hair of this magnitude ever since I've had long hair, okay? I've been growing out my hair since 2014, okay? I have not seen curly hair like this since my hair was like bob, okay? Especially on myself. Like, my hair is bone straight usually, and it is not. I have slept on this and it still looks amazing. My hair is smooth. I can run my fingers through my hair and it still keeps its curl. Now I will tell you right now, I used just a little bit of hairspray. So like once I was done curling my hair, I flipped my head over, hairsprayed it, flipped my head back, hairsprayed it, and then basically moved it into the part and everything that I wanted. And now it pretty much just stays right where it is. Now I can guarantee you if I go wash my hair, that's a whole different story. I have not went out in humidity so far and everything because it's still cold where I live. So we'll have to see what it looks like and what it does this summer and everything. But for the most part, this is incredible. I keep looking back and forth. It's because I have two monitors next to both of the cameras. That's how I'm able to do this right now. So I'm just like, what? Mind blowing. This is by Conair and it looks like this. And I will tell you right now, this thing gets really hot and it heats up really fast. I timed it. It heats up in under 30 seconds. It stays the temperature that it's supposed to constantly. And surprisingly, I have not burnt myself with it. And it's just, it's incredible. It has several temperatures on it. You can go from 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and that's it. All the way up to 30, and this is what it does. On a fresh curl, I can tell you right now, whenever I first curled my hair was like, I mean, it was like massive curl. And then after 24 hours and sleeping on it, you get this nice like wave and volume, like mind-blowing and everything. Like, I'm thanking the hair gods right now, okay, for like my girlfriend bringing this home because it's like everything. The cord on it is significantly long. I mean, that's a good thing. The cool thing, I do love this. I love that a lot. Because whenever you're using this, I will tell you right now, when I was first using it, it takes a little bit of practice because if you don't hairspray, like what I've noticed, I tried it 2 different ways. on one strand of my hair, I took and pulled out the hair and hairsprayed it. And I will tell you right now, my hair is long. So trying to, you know, just trying to get it all in one frame is kind of crazy because my hair is longer than 18 inches. It's almost like 24 inches dry and almost, what, 19 inches when it's curled. Like, my hair is long. I have a lot of hair, okay? I get it from my mother. My mom has very thick hair, so do I. And so needlessly to say, with that being said, this thing right here, if, like, I tried it 2 different ways. So whenever I hairsprayed one strand and I touched it to the base, the heat of this immediately like secures the hairspray. And then as you're wrapping, you're actually twisting, like you're twisting your hair into a twist as you're like wrapping around the actual like barrel. And so what I noticed was is by doing that, you're heating up individual sections of the hair that actually hold better than what you would do with like a clip iron, and by, you know, turning it on itself and everything. Like there's so many pros with this versus the cons with a regular curling iron, and I'm just like, I'm blown away. And I don't know how much exactly this is, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get online, I'm gonna look up Conair, I'm gonna find this online, and I'm gonna put it down in the description. And I'm just gonna put it in the description for you guys to look at, because I'm telling you right now, for something like this, I've seen these before and I'm just like, it's a joke. You know, like, it's a joke. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, I don't think so. And so I just look at it and I go, no, there's no way. Using it for the very first time, incredible, mind-blowing. Like, for me in particular, it's mind-blowing because I've never had curly hair like this. Like, especially like this, because you guys have seen in a lot of my videos where I have a gray wig, I have a pink wig. The volume of that pink wig and the curl of that pink wig, I love so much, but I also love the volume of the gray wig. This is pretty much the same volume of that gray wig, except for it's my real hair. Like, it's my real hair. So usually you guys see me with like, you know, straight hair and stuff like that. And the crazy thing about it is with most curling irons, they usually dry my hair out and they usually make my hair super, super frizzy. My hair has like this natural shine to it, and the smoothness is so nice. And it's not frizzy. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I really don't know how to explain it. All I know is that it has added a whole new time limit to my routine. I'm all like, okay, every doctor's appointment, every dinner I go out on, any movie theater, movie night I go out on, whatever, I am curling my hair before then, because I'm sorry, once you start curling your hair, you never go back. And everything, like, for me in particular, I am a full-time believer now in the curl. Okay, this is everything, okay? And like, what's so crazy about it is with the length of my hair, you would think that I wouldn't be able to get all of my hair onto the barrel of this because it's not that long. I can get all of my hair all the way down to the root and curl all of my hair, which is saying something. Like, and my hair, I don't plan on cutting it anytime soon. I want my hair like super long. Like, I'm wanting at least 28 inches long of hair when it's straight. And when it's curled, I'm talking like 25, like, you know, because it's already 24 inches long whenever it's straight. I'm wanting it, you know, I ain't got very much further to go, and my hair grows fast, as you guys can tell. I constantly, usually always have regrowth in my videos because my hair grows so freaking fast. Also too, speaking of hair, I'm gonna put a poll up there in the corner, and I want your opinion on something. Should I dye my hair like a different color? Like, I have 3 options in mind. The first one is a phoenix, basically a darker red at the root, fire engine red with orange and yellow at the ends. are all neon yellow with black hair extensions that are clip-ins in sections so it looks like black and yellow. Or, and I know this one right here is probably going to be killer, are doing dark purple at the root, a lavender purple with hints of aqua blue at the bottom. You tell me in the polls, you vote, okay, you vote, but ultimately at the very end of it, it's my hair, it's my decision. But you let me know, because here's the thing, guys. I've had blonde hair since 2010. This will be my first time ever not being blonde. So but I have been thinking about this for the last 5 months, and I have had the hardest time making the decision, because once you change your hair color, it's hard to go back, especially with blonde. Once you go blonde, if you change it to a darker color, it's harder to go back to blonde. And if you try to go back to blonde, there's a high potential of frying or ruining your hair for good. And so I'm just trying to weigh out my odds. So you just let me know. You just let me know in the polls, and we'll go from there, because I just realized that Arctic Fox is now being sold at Sally's, and whenever I saw it at the store the other day, I about lost my mind. And you probably hear Obi drinking water in the background. Anyways, guys, I thought that I would go ahead and bring this to you and let you guys know I believe in this thing a lot, and most likely I will be using it a lot. So whenever my hair is curled, you guys will know the product that I am using. If I was you, I'd definitely jump on this. Anyways, I will list it down there in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video soon.